Now guys, in this video I would like to speak about encapsulation. So it means that OOP in Python, it has four basic principles of OOP. You can find these four principles in another programming languages as well. For example, in Java, in JavaScript, and so on and so on. So four principles of OOP. And the first principle, it's called encapsulation. So what does it mean? It means that every attribute or every method can be public, protected, or private. And we need to understand what does it mean. So in this video, I would like to start with a simple one, public. So if something it's public, I mean attribute or the method is public, what does it mean? It means that, for example, these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, these 5 attributes are public. These 1, 2, 3, 4, these 4 methods are public as well. So what does it mean if it is public? It means that you can use it inside the class and you can use it outside the class as well. So if something is public, you can use it, we can say, inside the class plus outside the class, and there is no problem with it. So you can use it anywhere you want. Okay, in some languages you have these words like public, protected, private, and they use it like this: public, self, title, and so on. But no Python. Python doesn't have these words, these keywords: public, protected, private. So if there is no change and it looks absolutely normal, so it means everything is public. Okay, and in another videos I would like to show you what does it mean protected and private. So we will see in another video.